Good morning! On the way to Drift Indy Street League Volume 10 in Corbin, Kentucky. We're going to do also some toge drifting on the mountains on Sunday. We're about 3 hours away, but we had to stop at the good old Waffle House to start our morning off, even though Jordan's pretty much been sleeping the whole time. But yeah, let's get some food. Then we got about 3 hours till we get there. The event doesn't start till tomorrow, so let's hang out tonight and relax. What's up, guys? Day one, we made it to the track. We had some issues with the truck yesterday where an injector was getting stuck or something like that, but we started driving to try to limp it to the O'Reilly's and it's fixed itself. But man, we made it here. 8-hour drive. Scenery's sick. Track looks like it'll be pretty sweet for being a parking lot track. Excited to see what Street League Volume 10 brings us. up, guys? We've done quite a few laps already. The track's feeling pretty sweet, flows really well. Surface smokes an insane amount, but it doesn't really kill the tires that bad. So like, I don't know, every single car, even like 200 horsepower cars, are pouring out smoke. It must be something to do with the surface, which is kind of sweet, just because it looks really cool. But the track overall feels sweet. Debating between doing third or second gear entry as far as consistency goes. Second gear works, it's just not as fast as using third, because I'm actually in third through the first two inner clips, and then I downshift into the transition to the right hand turn. But I might just leave the car in second, pedal it, just because it's more consistent. I don't have to worry about doing a downshift. But yeah, we got some good laps in with everybody. I gave one of the congressmen from Kentucky a ride in my car, which was pretty cool. We just got some Kendas mounted up. I've never drove on Kendas with the S2000 before. I always use Ironmans. Been on Ironmans for like the last 2 years. So I'm curious to see how much more grip there is with these Kendas. I think it should be pretty significant. But yeah, we're just gonna go out this last half of the day, because we're on lunch break right now, and just keep doing laps and having a good time. So far our car's holding up well, staying cool and happy. So yeah, let's get back by the car and get ready to do some laps. Downtown Corbett. There's like a festival going on downtown. We're having all of our cars on display. All the locals are going to come out and check it out. We got the cops literally giving us an escort all the way to the track. We got a whole line of drift cars, 80 drivers. Just made it to downtown. Police escort. This is so sick. Downtown area. Ton of drift cars taking over the street. This is sick. It makes you feel like you're really special. It's pretty cool. I think the town really appreciates us doing an event here, which is super cool. And it just makes I'm sure all the drivers feel a little special, because it makes me feel special coming down here and having so many people excited about seeing our cars. I'm sure they don't see stuff like this very often, so pretty sick. 32. We're back. Competition day. We got a fresh set of Kendas on to heat cycle. We got the other pair, a little more beat up in heat cycle. We're about to go out on grid for first practice of the day.
We're back, baby. Day 2. Drift Indy. Street League Volume.
Woo! Very much today. We've just been getting some practice laps, giving in some more ride-alongs to the locals and some fans, which is super cool. Feeling good. Got a scrubbed-in pair of Kenda so we don't make the same mistake we made at the last competition. We have another set getting mounted right now over there, so in case we have to go a bunch more times or have to do rounds, we have a brand new set of tires ready to go, mounted, and we don't have to worry about running to Ironmans again. But prelims are about to start, and we're going to cheer on all of our homies, see if everybody can qualify. We luckily are in the 13th position, so we don't have to qualify. And let's see who we get matched up with after the prelims. Good luck to everybody. All right, guys, we're all gridding up for top 32, and we drew Mr. Corey Misko, our good old friend. We'll talk to him in a minute when he gets out of here on grid and we get out of our cars and get all lined up. But yeah, I can't believe, of course, I get Corey, Dylan got Scud, all the Michigan boys are battling each other, so what can you do? Hello?
Yo.
Can you believe it? We finally get to battle all this shit talk. And finally... Whoa. Oh, what the hell?
Trying to sabotage me already?
What the hell is this? China mirror? You guys got China mirrors that come off and drift? You gonna try to fling it at me?
Dude, they're good for hitting cones.
Yeah, I bet. I bet. First battle's going on right now. It's Adam and Colton. And we're the 7th battle, so get ready to have some fun and see what we can do.
Justin puts the pressure on him right away. to angle. Misko's not giving us the all the way out. Misko's speed by your tire marble swinging through the air.
All right, Misko leading in the inline 6 turbo E46. Big entry. Oh no, and Justin throws. Oh no. And Zach had a real nice entry there. SD is mapping that nicely.
The rim survived?
Zach right on that second inner flip. SD's
3 gram lights, 1 year. The upper control arm broke on entry against Corey. I was feeling really, really good. The car let me down at the most important moment, unfortunately. So get it fixed.
And two, no surprise there. Josh Esty will be moving on. But with no mistake, a great chase is required by a great lead run. So put your hands together for Zach in that low-powered BMW for giving something to chase.
So after breaking the knuckle, I somehow found a knuckle in the middle of nowhere, Tennessee, and met up with a guy about 2 hours away. So a 4-hour round trip, we went to go get this knuckle because it was pretty much our only option if we wanted to drive the Toge event on Sunday. Luckily, we did find one, get the car fixed, and got to bed pretty late. But yeah, thanks so much for subscribing. Sorry this video didn't have a real ending to it, but I'll see you guys in the next one, which has a lot of great content. Thanks.